If you're like me, you've tried everything under the sun. Opioids, muscle relaxers, creams, salves, ice, heat, stim, massage, yoga, acupuncture, meditation, you name it, and I've probably tried it a dozen times. It's the 21st century, folks. The world is changing fast, and we have the technology to do better. Finally, there are some people who have done better. With Kailo, customers say pain relief has never been this simple, effective, or affordable. Kailo is the future of pain relief, designed to boost the natural signals of the body and help the brain communicate with disrupted areas more effectively. Kailo contains billions of charged nanocapacitors that work like a bioantenna, designed to assist the body in clear communication and to reduce signals that cause pain. Just apply the adhesive patch to your skin and feel the pain begin to go away. This reusable pain relief product offers amazing long-term potential for a one-time purchase. Still not convinced? Let's get personal. This is my mom. She's 68 and has battled with chronic fibromyalgia most of her adult life. Her pain became so unbearable that she turned to opioids, which eventually became a dependency. And my dad. He likes to play hard. But eventually his body couldn't keep up with the old high school football injury. And eventually his sciatica got so bad he couldn't even make a 2-hour drive to visit his only daughter and grandchildren. Not cool, tough guy. So, I asked my parents to try Kailo and see what the hype is all about. Initially, we were skeptical, but now we're stunned. My mom's pain went from a 9 to a 3, and my dad's from a 7 to a 2. With hundreds of thousands of Kailo patches sold, not one customer has reported harmful side effects. Kailo customers also report it's the best reliever for back pain, myself included. Kailo has helped reduce pain for hundreds of thousands of people who were willing to overcome their skepticism and give it a try. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can't afford not to. The consensus is clear. Kailo is a life changer.